What up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the Polaroid wireless LED Glode speaker that I got at the Family Dollar for a reduced price. It was actually on sale for $10.98. The original price of this speaker was $30. So you know they had like a bunch of these. So I grabbed one and I want to do a review on it and see how good it is. I've seen good reviews online, but you know what? I'm gonna put it to the test and see what it could actually do. So here's the side of the box: wireless LED globe. You know, it tells you in Spanish. And then here's the other side. So you guys can see Family Dollar right there. Bluetooth. And not much. I mean, it says clean display. You know. Wait, which one's on? Wait. Actually, let me see which one's in Spanish and which one's in English. Alright, so bring the party. Oh no, wait. No, never mind. I don't know. I don't understand this, but here it says clear display. Pantalla LED, Bluetooth 3.0. Oh, okay, I get it now. Alright, so let me bring the party. Crystal clear audio, high power, clear display, Bluetooth or 3.5 millimeter jack if you guys don't have a Bluetooth device. Simple controls, and that's about it, guys. So yeah, let's open it up and see what we get in the box. With our little knife here, we're gonna just slice that right here. Slice that over here. And slice this one too. And put that away. Wait, did I open this one right? Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, we got a foam top. See. Oh, almost dropped the whole thing. Take that out. So first you get a micro USB cable. I'm assuming to charge it, in a little bag with the instruction manual. Nice, very nice. Put that to the side. And then you get the speaker itself. And that's about it. I mean, it's just cardboard, you know what I mean, foam. Let's put that over here now. And let's just put it right here. So, comes in a little plastic. Wow, this looks crazy. It looks neat. It looks nice and shiny, the top. Here's the display for the clock, and right here are the power button. I mean the control buttons, which is pause, volume down, volume up, and I'm assuming this might be power. It just has a little dot. It has a weight to it, which is always good on speakers. You turn it around, and you get the on and off switch. So I'm assuming that's not the on and off switch, guys. Might be a play or pause button. You get the 3mm jack, the charging, and an LED indicator right here. Oh, you could. Oh, what? You could hang it. Or no? Oh, you get some rubber feet here, so you know it doesn't move around. And it comes with this hook. Let me see. How do you take it out? I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so you could hang it like that, like a disco ball, guys. Wow, that's crazy. You guys see this? Look at that. Nice. I could probably hang it up here. Well, actually, I'm gonna try to hang it up here. Here, let me show you guys real quick what I mean. My house has this little thing on the roof. Let me show you guys real quick. You guys see that little hook over there? I'm gonna try to hang it right there and hopefully not mess it up. Well, let's go back over here. Let's actually see if it has some power on. If it has some juice in it. Whoa! Wow! That is cool. That's crazy. Let me see. What does this button do? Let's see real quick. You guys could see the lights. It's like illuminating the whole room. Let me actually turn off the lights so you guys can see what I mean. Let me see. Turn that one off. And turn that one off. Look, guys. Just look at this. It looks nice. This could fill up a room easily. All the way over here. Wow, that looks cool, honestly. That looks pretty cool. I'm already impressed with that. Put that back in here. Let me actually give it a quick charge, guys, so I could so we could actually test it, you know, right? And I'll get back with you guys in a bit. I'm also change the time, you know, put that clock to the on time, you know, and then we'll test out the audio and see how it does. So give me a second, guys, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back, and the time is set right on the speakers. You guys could see, you could use this as a clock. It's 7:20 p.m. right now. I'm recording. This also has a battery indicator and Bluetooth indicator too, which is nice. Let me see if I could I don't know if you guys could see that, but hopefully you guys can. And right here it has 5 LED modes, by the way. So it has LED mode 2, which is like just red with like that. It has LED mode 3, LED mode 4, and LED mode 5, which is off. And this is probably I don't know, I haven't tested them all out, but I like this one so far, LED one. In order for you guys to pair the speaker, you have to hold the play pause button until Bluetooth appears on the screen. To put the volume up, it also indicates the volume. You gotta hold it. So you could go all the way to 15, as you guys can see right there. Or you gotta hold it to turn it all the way down. Like that. And if you just do like a quick press, it skips the song, or you'll rewind the song. So now let's test it out with some audio, guys. And see how it plays. Let me actually turn off the lights real quick so you guys could see. And by the way, this thing could light up a whole room, guys. This is really nice. Let's play a song real quick. As you guys can see, that was not a full volume. That's like 2 bars from full volume. I do notice a little distortion though once you put it all the way too high. But then again, this is a heavy bass song, so it might vary on what kind of music you listen to. And as you guys could see, the lights react with the sound. So let me give you guys another. Let me put it again at full volume so you guys could hear what I'm hearing. If you put it at full volume, this is full volume, and it's gonna distort right now. you guys could hear that it kind of distorts full volume, not too much. I mean, it's still listenable, but it does do that. So I would recommend putting the speaker maybe on 13, or if you have, or putting the speaker on 14. I mean on 15 all the way up, and on your phone just keep it 2 lines from maximum volume, and it sounds perfectly fine like that. Let me play another song real quick for you guys, and let's see how it goes. Give me a second here. Alright guys, here's another song. And that's on full volume. And if you guys could hear me, this is what I mean. With this song, it's at full volume on the speaker and on the phone, and it doesn't seem to distort at all. It actually sounds really nice. It's pretty loud. Really loud actually. Well, there you guys have it. There's the audio test. Hopefully you guys get an idea on what the speaker sounds like. You guys could hear it has a pretty deep, clean bass. Sounds good. The low end, you know, sounds good. Like I said, the bass, the mid, you could hear it, and the highs are pretty good too. Would I recommend this speaker? Yes, of course. I do. I would recommend it. Look at the lights. Just for the lights, I like it. The sound, I give it a what? 9 out of 10. You know, let's be honest, 9 out of 10. But then again, it did beat my expectations of $10.98. You know, and if you guys see them on the Family Dollar on special for $10.98. I would highly recommend getting it. And if I would I pay $30 if I was to, you know, buy it at full price? Yeah, I probably would. I probably would, and not only because of the sound. You know, you got a lot of things for your money, like the LED lights. You get different modes. You get the aux. You get the battery indicator here. You get good sound, and it's really good. It fills out the room with the sound. You could play this at a small apartment, maybe. Maybe fill what's it called, like a big room with sound, and you know, just have a party with this. You know, put it in a room in the middle, and you have lights everywhere. And the other cool thing about it, like I said, is you could just have it like this. You could hang it like a disco ball and just, you know, have a blast. I really like this speaker. It's nice. It's relaxing. So I would highly recommend it, guys. Go to your Family Dollar right now since you see this video, and if you want to pick up a nice little unique speaker, I would highly recommend it. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a like. And like always, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. So peace out, guys.